Alright, so we're gonna have the on-3 twin turbo car go up first. Brandon is gonna make his maiden voyage and see if he runs that 8. 139, 149. So you're as fast as a TBS car on 82mm pulley right now.
Oh, right. So leaving off of idle
right.
and lifting on the foot before the 1-2 shift.
I heard that. Did it hit a limiter?
No, it didn't hit the limiter. It hit so fast I let out.
Got it.
I was like, ugh.
Okay, cool. Oh, it's 149. So just I don't know. Felt good, right? It back half nice.
Oh my
it looked
God,
good. Looked clean.
Well, I kept on looking at the mile an hour. I was like, holy shit, it's keep going.
Yeah. So you look at the log. You're just gonna go up there and.
Well, I wanted to look, I guess, see what the back half was. And
okay.
then I'm gonna look at the log. But it was 20 pounds the whole way through.
Awesome.
So
cool. .101, 152. Hey Brandon.
How's it going out?
So Brandon ran a personal best. Show me what's going on.
Yeah. So we had a bit of an issue, I guess, at the launch, I would assume. So we tried to, we tried to turn the 2-step up and it didn't quite work. But cut the 60 foot down, same boost, same timing, went 9.0s. So once we get the seal on the pump fixed, we'll go back out probably in a week or so.
All right, very good. Maybe break into the 8s next time out.
Yeah. I mean, we got a lot more boost to run on it, so it's only 16 pounds.
16 pounds only?
Yeah, 16.
Out of 2 turbos.
Oh, 2 turbo. Well, they're small turbos, so I mean, it's like, you know, normal.
What size are they again?
67, 66s.
That sounds big.
Well,
why do they sound big?
Well, so on-3 offers like the 60s or the 67s.
Okay.
So I was like, well, let's throw the 67.
Okay, that'll work. I mean, that's a basic combo. I mean, full interior car, no cage.
The cage is at home and the chute is at home, but
good place for it.
You said I couldn't put it in until it goes to mile an hour.
Yeah, now you can put the chute in, but you know, not the 8. You know, you don't put the cage in yet.
Well, I was hoping it wasn't going to break this week because Cruise Week is down there. So.
Oh well, man, you're fucked now. You can drive it.
I think it's the seal because it pushed through.
Okay.
So if all we got to do, that's like an hour's worth of work. So.
Cool. Congrats, sir.
Thank you.
Good job.
Hey, hopefully it is the seal.
Get out of here. You're done. Enough camera time for you. Now we got to get this thing into the 7s. Goal is quicker than a 770.